Hi, my name is Coach Abby. Thank you for tuning in to Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that was developed with the sole purpose of helping you navigate through relationship challenges. Alongside Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, and Coach Natalie, which I'm sure you know are amazing, I welcome this opportunity to present to you this topic today. And it's one that is extremely essential and at some points a little bit difficult. And it's the power of forgiveness. So we'll break it down a little bit into 4 parts. 1, forgiveness is a choice. When you choose to forgive, you choose to remove all the bitterness, all the hatred, all the toxicity that you have within yourself. And through it, you bring a gift. It's a gift for you to enjoy peace. It's such a powerful, powerful thing to be able to accomplish. Number 2, forgiveness must be unconditional. What's done is done. When your partner shows authentic remorsefulness, this is where you decide that yes, the relationship stands a chance. You forgive and you let go. You cannot change the outcome. You cannot change what happened. Allow yourself to be free. Don't let it continue to haunt you. Number 3, forgiveness harbors positive emotion. It really has a direct connotation of taking bitterness and bringing love from it, of taking hatred and creating respect and positivity. Once again, you take something that was very painful and you are able to look at it and say, you're not hurting me anymore. I'm moving forward. That is such power, inner strength. Only very strong people can really be able to do this. I commend you for doing it. I know that at the end of the day, at some point in our lives, we have to forgive someone. Why not forgive the person that we love and want to spend the rest of our lives with? And finally and lastly, you may not want to forgive this person, and maybe they don't deserve to be forgiven. So that's something to look at, accept, and acknowledge. But you're not forgiving for them. You're forgiving for yourself, because what you want is to rid yourself of all the darkness, of all the bitterness, of all the hatred, replace tears with smile, bring in a future, and it only is possible of truly letting go. Just put it behind you. Book a session with me. It'll be my pleasure to show you little tiny skills that we have developed and that we have found absolutely to work most of the cases. We need you to implement them, and you will start feeling such relief as you go on to forgive your ex. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. They are so important. They are the lifeline of our channel. We take each and every comment extremely personal and look to be able to provide the solutions for them. Until the next time, I'm Coach Abby.